Tonight, Durham County leaders are calling to protect early learning and care programs for at-risk children and their families.
Yeah, it comes as the Trump administration proposes to eliminate funding for Head Start programs nationwide. CBS 17's Mariah Ellis is live for us tonight in Durham, learning a lot more about how this could impact, these cuts could have an impact.
Yeah, that's right. Just a couple hours ago during this meeting, the board said there was only unanimous support for the Head Start program. And they said they're not only facing a crisis, but the loss of this program could impact hundreds across this community.
The federal government is literally considering ending this program.
Durham County Commissioner Wendy Jacobs voicing concern Monday night, joining the board to share their support and sign a letter urging members of Congress to protect funding to a program currently supporting more than 490 children across Durham County.
This is how we give everyone a fair chance in our country to succeed in life.
The board says it's a response as the Trump administration proposes cuts to the Department of Health and Human Services, including eliminating funding for Head Start for the 2026 fiscal year, a child development program providing early learning programs and care to young children and low-income families.
I went to Head Start as a kid myself. I grew up in poverty. I'm one of 18 children, the 17th of 18 children, and so I know the impact that Head Start has had on my life.
Terry David, the president for the North Carolina Head Start Association, says they're serving North Carolina's most vulnerable, a service that's served nearly 40 million children nationwide since its start 6 decades ago.
Many of the children that we serve are dealing with homelessness. They may not have access to nutritious meals outside of our services.
They receive home visiting programs. They receive access to health care.
Durham County Early Child Coordinator Maytel Barak says 42% of children in Durham are growing in low socioeconomic families. The program's loss wouldn't just cut critical services, but force some families to choose between employment and childcare.
These are the families that need the support for childcare. These are the families that need the support of a community. Being a foundational partner, we immediately started collaborating and thinking about ways to advocate for this.
And David says about 90% of brain development happens between birth and the age of 5, which he says is why it's so important to have this program available early on. Mariah Ellis, CBS 17 News.
All right. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.